Okay, today is what? July 13, Saturday, Glendale, California. This is the reunion of the BF Homes boys and girls.
The Transformer.
Well, introduce yourself.
Michael Javier.
Michael Javier. And
wife, Elena.
Miss Marlon Puatu.
Johnny Depp.
John.
Lone Ranger.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Obama.
Obama.
Oh, and
Mr. Caesar. Pepet and Arniel.
and the commissioner.
And this is me.
The commissioner.
We're just having a reunion here. There are more people coming, hopefully. If not, this is a good start. So we're going to have another get-together sometime soon. Southern California, BF Homes residents, or former BF Homes residents. That's it for now.
Next event.
Next event, San Diego at his house. This guy's house. That's right here. That's right. There you go. Anybody who wants to come, send a message on Facebook.
Show up.
Yep.